everybody! My name is Tommy Dolphus, and I'm standing on these cool train tracks, and they are very, very fun. And also, I like to say a few words. And, there should be a train coming up right behind me soon, but I'm not afraid. Yeah, trains are cool, and yes, do my planes. God, I hate planes. They're so annoying. Man, okay, that train's gone now. And there shouldn't be another train coming out for about a half an hour. So I'll still be fine. And also, whatever. Whoa, the train ran away! Get out of the way, kid! Never! You hear me? You will never get me off the track. I mean, never! Okay, fine. Have it your way. Uh-oh. I hate trains. Jerry. Shut up, I'm talking. And also, Jerry. What? There's a train car right behind you. No, it's not. I'm gonna look at the back of my eyes. Oh my gosh, that's so scary.